Imagine living in a world without anesthesia, without modern hospitals, without even microscopes. Now, imagine a surgeon rebuilding human faces more than 2,600 years ago, long before modern plastic surgery emerged in Europe. An Indian physician named Sushruta was performing remarkably advanced surgical procedures in ancient India. And what he achieved in around 600 BCE still shocks medical historians today. Known as the father of surgery, Sushruta lived in the ancient city of Varanasi and wrote one of the world's earliest medical texts. The Sushruta Samhita described over 300 surgical procedures and more than 100 surgical instruments centuries before similar techniques appeared elsewhere. But one operation made him legendary. In ancient India, losing the nose was not only physically devastating, but socially humiliating. Sushruta developed a method to reconstruct it. First, he would measure the missing portion of the nose using a leaf as a template. Then, he carefully cut a flap of skin from the patient's cheek or forehead while keeping part of the skin attached. The flap would then be shaped and stitched into place to form a new nose. This procedure, known today as a skin graft or flap reconstruction, is one of the foundations of modern plastic surgery. He also emphasized cleanliness and surgical training. Students practiced procedures on fruits, vegetables, and leather bags before operating on real patients. Sushruta approached medicine with observation, experimentation, and practical skill rather than relying on spirits or curses. His surgical instruments included scalpels and forceps, many inspired by the shapes of animals and birds. The knowledge contained in the Sushruta Samhita eventually spread beyond India, with Arabic translations appearing during the medieval period. British surgeons in colonial India were later stunned to witness local doctors still using techniques similar to those described by Sushruta. A surgical technique developed in ancient India survived for over 2 millennia and helped shape the future of reconstructive surgery. The roots of surgery stretch deep into the ancient world, to a physician working beside the Ganges more than 2,600 years ago. If you enjoyed this story of ancient innovation, make sure to like and subscribe to the History Vault for more incredible stories.